Hello everyone, I'm Eileen Sheil, Vice President of Global Communications at Medtronic. Medtronic is one of the world's largest medical technology companies. Prior to that, I was the Executive Director of Corporate Communications at the Cleveland Clinic. Before that, I worked at Kaiser Permanente, one of the nation's largest healthcare organizations. I am also excited to share with you that I am a proud Ohio University alumni, class of 1990, and from the Scripps Journalism School. So I'm thrilled to be a part of this high school journalism workshop to really teach you about a career in journalism. My daughter is also a Bobcat currently. She'll be graduating next May. I look forward to really sharing with you what it's like to work in journalism, have a job in communications, and we're going to spend a lot of time together virtually, but I really wish we could be together in Athens so you could see the campus, walk the campus, and really see the beauty of Ohio University. So we'll work together, and I look forward to it, and see you soon.